Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the lesson Be Smart. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon for more such videos. English workshop Be Smart. A1. Simple factual questions. First question. Complete the following sentences. First, SMART goals are a methodology of thinking that help people reach success. SMART stand for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time-bound. Second, two valuable assets of setting goals are a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. Third, champions aren't made in gyms. Fourth, to accomplish goals, expert recommended a 5-step approach. Fifth, life is something like a trumpet. Next, fear of failure may be avoided in the absence of any goals. Eighth, success is a walk in the dark. Second question, write whether the statements are true or false. First, champions must have the skill and will. True. Second, the will must not be stronger than the skill to become successful. False. Third, setting goal is quite challenging for some. True. Fourth, a sense of originality and stepping stone are two valuable assets of setting goal. True. Fifth, as students, we can become a president or a prime minister. False. A2. Complex factual questions. First question. Complete the following web with the words associated with the text and the given title. The title is Components of Success. Dream, desire, a vision, a sense of originality, goals, a will, natural talent, and skill. Second question, pick out examples from the text that support each of the following facts. A. Goals should be achievable. Answer. As students, we can't become a president, a prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. B. A time limit should be set to achieve goals. Answer. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it. But without consistent time-bound action, it never becomes a reality. It may be exercise, diet, and stress-free thoughts. C. A specific field or area has to be fixed to achieve goals. Answer. If it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch? D. Good results depend upon the quality and quantity of work put in. Answer. Life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. E. A benchmark is needed to track progress. Answer. While playing football, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. Second question, answer the following questions. First, why do some people find setting goals a challenge? Answer, some people find setting goals a challenge because of fear of failure. Second, how does quantifying goal help us? Answer, quantifying goals provides specific ways to track progress against goals. This makes it easy to benchmark performance throughout the goal period, including areas to improve. Third, what factor is unreal while setting goals? Answer, while setting goals, building expertise takes time. So expecting to become an expert in a short amount of time is unreal. Fourth question, to what are efforts towards success compared? Why? Answer, success is a walk in the dark. Finding the right footing, precisely mastering the skills, and getting to the next place all depend on how we approach and tackle the problem. Fifth question, what may appear easy? Answer, setting goals may appear easy. Sixth, what things spark of imagination and encourage us? Answer, visions, wishes, intentions and dreams spark of imagination and encourage us to define where we want to reach. Seventh question, what should we clearly define while playing football? Answer, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. Eighth, what will help increase focus and accountability? Answer, establishment of time parameters around each goal will help to increase focus and accountability. Third, complete the web. Two things that impact the result directly: quality of energy, quantity of energy. Question number 3, read this quote. If you don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Guess the meaning. Discuss in pairs and find similar quotes that bring in the same meaning. Two are given. A, you reap as you sow. B, input is equal to output. C, no gains without pain. D, a will find a way. E, give respect, get respect. Fourth question, do's and don'ts for delivering a speech. Add some more points. Do's, talk slowly, emphasize keywords, be clear in pronunciation, speak short but sweet, give general examples, keep eye contact with spectators, use body language. Don'ts, don't mumble, don't look up or down, don't criticize anyone, don't speak too fast, don't lose confidence, don't fold hands, don't play with mic. A3, vocabulary based questions. First question, find out the nouns from the lesson for the following verbs. First, improve. Second, hesitate. Third, perform. Fourth, absent. Fifth, intend. Sixth, fail. Nouns are improvement, hesitation, performance, absence, intention, failure. Second question. Find out describing words, adjectives from the lesson. Answer. Stronger, natural, better, quite, specific, easy, exact, clear, next, current. A4 grammar based questions. First question. Match column A with column B. If clause. Answers are given directly. A. First, if you establish time parameters around each goal, it will help increase focus and accountability. Second, if you don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Third, if we use the talent to set our goal in life, we can easily get success in life. Fourth, if we do not take action, we shall not achieve our goal. Second question. Match column A with column B. Answers are given directly. A column. First, champions aren't made in gym. Are they? Second, we all have natural talents. Haven't we? Third, success is a walk in the dark. Isn't it? Fourth, we can't become a president. Can we? Third question. Do as directed. First, it is important to create goals that are within one's current skill set. Find out the infinitive. Answer. Infinitive to create. Second, the will is stronger than the skill. Change the degree. Answer. The skill is not as strong as the will. Third, setting goal has two valuable assets. Make WH question to get the underlined part as answer. Answer. How many valuable assets have setting goals? A5 personal response questions. First question. What qualities one must have to become a successful person? Answer. Everybody wants to succeed in life. To become a successful person in life, one must have a goal, a strong desire, a vision, a will, hard work, patience, proper guidance, dedication, never give up attitude, etc. Second question. What are your goals of life and how will you achieve them? Answer. Every person should have set goals of life. I think life without goals means journey without destination. I have set my goals, short term and long term. My goal of this year is to get above 95% marks in the SSC examination. In order to achieve that, I will follow SMART steps. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound.